students, good morning. In the previous class, I have taught you Sam and Mama Heron lesson. No? In today's video, we are going to do the textbook part of Sam and Mama Heron lesson. So, please open your textbook, page number 59. So, first of all, let us do this A bit in page number 59. Number these sentences in the correct order. So they have given the sentences now here. We are going to mark it out, which is the first sentence and which is the second, and like that. Mother gives Sam money to buy bread. Sam puts Mama Heron in his toy cart. Next, Mama Heron helps Sam find the coins. Mama Heron hurts her wing and leg. Sam cannot find the coins. Sam plays with his friends. He takes Mama Heron to her nest. What's the first sentence we have got in the lesson? That is, Mama Heron hurts her wing and leg. This is the first sentence. So put number 1 in the box, which is beside of the sentence. Next, coming to the second sentence, Sam puts Mama Heron in his toy cart. Next, what's the third one? He takes Mama Heron to the nest. Next, Mother gives Sam money to buy bread after few days. Next, again, Sam plays with his friends. When he is going to buy the bread, he found his friends playing in the water. No? Sam plays with his friends. Next, so after some time, Sam cannot find the coins. At the end, Mama Heron helps Sam find the coins. So, this is the order of the sentence. 4, 2, 7, 1, 6, 5, 3. Okay, coming to the B bit, take the correct answers. Okay, first one. Mama Heron cannot go home because she is hungry. She is looking for fish. She has hurt her left wing and leg. Why she can't go? Because her left wing and leg was hurt. The people in the car do not help Mama Heron because why? They are in a hurry. They do not like Mama Heron. They do not hear Mama Heron. So, they are in a hurry. Sam starts crying because why Sam started crying? He wants to play with his friends. He cannot find the coins. His friends do not help him. He cannot find the coins. Sam says Mama Heron is kind. Why? She helps him find the coins. She thanks him when he helps her, or she plays with him. She helps him to find the coins. Next, turn the page. In the previous class, I have said you the simple present tense, no? So, now we are going to do this grammar part also. Look at these pairs of sentences. Complete each pair of sentences with the correct form of the word in the box. Okay, so I walk to school. So when it comes to a single person, it is always walk or drink or eat or play. When it comes to the third person, it becomes walks. We are going to add ears or en to the words. Okay, let us see the second one. I dash a lot of water every day. They have given the option drink here. I drink. Next, Sona dash lemon juice. Sona drinks. Next, Ali dash with Tanu after school. Play. Means plays. Next one, I have a cat. It dash with a ball of wool. It plays. Next one, can you please dash a card for me? Make. Here it is make. She dash soup for dinner. She makes. And the next one, my mother dash the newspaper. Read. She reads. I dash comic books. I read comic books. Next, words in use. Choose the correct word from the box to complete these sentences. These are the feeling words, means happy or sad, afraid, tired, hungry. Okay, the baby is laughing. He is dash. When you laugh, you will be laughing when you are happy. Okay, Jerry wants to eat something. He is, when you want to eat, when you feel hungry. Sam is dash of spiders. Sam is afraid of spiders. Next one, Ricky cannot find his new pencil box. He is sad. Kunal is dash after the long walk. Kunal is tired of walking. Next, look at these pictures. Complete these sentences with the correct words paired from the box. As you know, this is a picture of elephant and beside of the elephant there is a rabbit. You are going to do this as your homework. Those are antonyms. Happy, sad, dry, wet, big, small, empty, full. I'll show you the one. Elephant is a dash animal. It is a big animal. And rabbit is a dash animal. What is opposite word of big? It is small. Okay, and this is your homework part. Okay, complete this and we'll meet in the next class. Thank you.